with this comparison, I want to give you guys the best realistic comparison as possible. When you go into a sneaker store, the first thing you see is the design. Now, the Yeezy's design, let me load down the ISO, is a little bright. The Yeezy's design is really minimalistic, especially this color here. You know, I love the way how my Yeezys look. Nice and fresh, nice and clean. I even put back the whatchamacallit here just to keep everything nice and mint. I wear a size 8.5. I gotta say, the Yeezys are stunning. Now take a look at the Ultras. These are the HUARACHE Ultras. They look good, they'll get the job done, but there's nothing touching the Yeezy's design. But that's totally, literally up to you. Let me give you guys some close-ups. Now taking a look at the Nike Ultras, or the HUARACHE Ultras. Beautiful sneaker. I had this for like about 2 years, and I wear them. I used to wear them every day. I started wearing Vans every day because I ride my skateboard. You guys see the vlogs. You know, having Vans is the most comfortable sneaker when it comes down to your skateboard because the bottom is flat. I have a pair of Runs, but I cannot find them. But they ate up anyway. Like the tag back here is popped off. There's dirt everywhere. Those are like my, you know what I mean, dirt sneakers basically. If I'm going to the yard or if I'm planting something, I'm wearing those. But these are nice and clean. Ladies, I think this one is for the ladies here. But these are the Runs. Alright, design wise, I'm easily going to give this to the Yeezys. But next up, the fit and the comfort. Now this is very, very important when it comes down to a sneaker. If it doesn't fit right, then that's a deal breaker. I would say, I'm glad to say both of these sneakers, or all of these sneakers, feel very, very comfortable. And you can run around with them, and you know, you don't have nothing to worry about. Now as you guys can see, I consider these sneakers to be a sock sneaker because all around you have a breathing area. This whole sneaker is a breathing sneaker, so it's gonna feel comfortable. The HUARACHEs, it's the same thing. This pattern here, you can have your foot breathe. I live in New York, so wearing these all season long, I can't do that, and especially these are all white because the whole sneaker is a sock basically. While the Ultras, you have some breathing room, but you have some padding here too, so your foot is not as cold. And the Ultras here, as you guys can see, yeah, I mean, it's pretty much similar, very, very similar between these two. Now, if you're planning on buying the Runs, these are the Runs, you need to get them a size bigger. If you're getting the Ultras, you can get them true to your size. This one is a tough one for me. It really is. It's a tough one for me. Alright guys, so I tried on the Yeezys and I tried on the Ultras, and I gotta say, I'm gonna give the slight edge to the Ultra because for some reason this pattern on the top here, as you guys can see, somehow this pattern on the top really helps a lot. Somehow with the Yeezys, this little stitch in here, let me lower down the ISO again. This stitch in here, you can feel that, and I wish I could show you guys inside the sneaker, but this little pattern right here, you can feel that. And it's not that they're uncomfortable. Both of these sneakers are comfortable as hell, but I'm giving the very, very, very slight edge to the Ultra. So yeah, these are freaking comfortable, but these are really no slouch. They like right there in terms of comfort. But then again, maybe it's a little biased because these sneakers are newer. These sneakers are way newer than these. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I will do like a 1 year later on the Yeezys. I'm gonna wear them pretty much all summer. I'm gonna wear these. It's just somehow this top part, maybe I should have got a size bigger, maybe a size 9. These are a size 9.5. I'm gonna try these on and I'll be right back. I know I'm a little all over the place. I'm freestyling right now. I guess the Yeezys, they run small. If you wear size 8, you might want to get a size 9 or 8.5, a little bit more bigger. But man, the 9.5 surprisingly fits me well. But I'm still gonna give that slight edge to the HUARACHEs. But it's so close. I can't stress that enough to you guys. You can feel it just a smidge. You can feel the Yeezys. But I feel like with the HUARACHEs, you're walking on a cloud a little bit. Both of them are good, but the very, very slightly you can feel the Yeezys. And then next up, I did mention this already, the price. The Ultras, you can pretty much find them anywhere, any sneaker store, Finish Line, Nike, Foot Locker, Champs, like you name it, you can find HUARACHEs anywhere. Yeezys, on the other hand, you're not going to find these in the store. Online shopping is where you're going to get your Yeezys. And also, not only that, the pricing is a little bit more affordable on the Yeezys. I'm seeing them range between, I'm seeing some of them for like 80 to like 120. now Kanye is starting to restock up on Yeezys. He's making more Yeezys than ever before. But once that window closes and he's move on to the next Yeezy, you're gonna have to buy these at a third-party reseller. Hey man, they both very comfortable sneakers. At the end of the day, you cannot go wrong with either or. And if you can pick up both, pick up both. But if I have to decide, if I have to pick one, I would probably go with the HUARACHEs first and then go with the Yeezys second. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you found this video informative, drop a like on this video, comment down below who's the winner. I mean, if you have a Yeezys and you have a HUARACHEs, I mean, well, why are you watching this video? Peace.